Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Apple Developer Program for iOS builds, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started, navigate to the Apple Developer website. Click on the account option located at the top right corner of the page. If you already have an Apple ID, log in using your credentials. If you don't have an Apple ID, select Create Apple ID and follow the prompts to set one up. Once logged in, locate the Join the Apple Developer Program section. Click on the Enroll button to begin the registration process. Read the information presented about the program and click Start your enrollment. You will be prompted to choose between an individual or organization account. Select the appropriate option based on your needs. If you choose organization, you'll need to enter your DUNS number. This number is required to verify your organization's identity. Fill in the necessary information, including your legal entity name and address. For individual accounts, simply provide your personal information. After filling in the details, review the terms and conditions. If you agree, check the box and click Continue. Next, you will see the enrollment agreement. Read through it and click Agree if you are in agreement. Proceed to the payment page. The Apple Developer Program charges an annual fee, which you'll need to pay. Select your payment method and enter your payment details. Once the payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation email. This email confirms your enrollment in the Apple Developer Program. Now you can access the resources available to developers. Log into your account and explore the various tools and documentation. You are now ready to start building your iOS applications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.